What's up, y'all? What's going on? It's your girl here, Kaylin, coming through with an update on my situation. So I wanted to give you a quick little update on what's been going on with my skin. The inflammation and everything is gone. Thank you, God. Wait, that didn't look right. Scratch that. My skincare routine has literally consisted of my Alizelle cream and my Vanny cream. Wait, did I show you guys those? Yeah, I did, right? The Alizelle cream and the Vanny cream. I have been using the facial cleanser in the shower twice a day. The inflammation and the bumps and the highs and the swelling all went down gradually. It didn't happen from one day to the other. Tomorrow I am filming. I'll include a little snippet of what my skin looks like under my lights. I just wanted to give you guys an update like I told you guys last night I would, but with actual lighting so you guys can actually see my face because it's so yellow in my bathroom. There's not a way that we can actually replace the bulbs, whatever. You guys don't need to know all that. Anyways, the inflammation and everything has significantly gone down. I mean, even my forehead, it's not as bad as it was. I just hope that by me applying makeup on today will not irritate it, but I think we're okay. Let me film my video and then I'll be back somehow. I don't know what else to vlog. What else should I vlog? Okay, you don't know. I know. Yes, Jet? Everybody can hear you. Huh?
Doing makeup.
You're supposed to be sleeping.
I'm not sleeping.
Go to sleep.
No.
All right, y'all, so we're gonna go run errands today. Hi, you guys like this, huh? My new tripod, hey. My face is so much better today. Even though I did film and put makeup on, it did not react to the makeup, so it was not the new Maybelline foundation. It could not have been the NYX setting spray either, or the concealer, or anything that I used. So I think it was the Tatcha cream. I don't know. Do you guys wanna come? Maybe I'll take you. Okay, I'll take you. So I need to go to the supermarket. Where is my essential oil? Found it. This is my lavender essential oil, guys, because I suffer from migraines. The medication that I take is only Excedrin. Unless it's like really bad, I don't really want to take it. I've been trying to do like more natural things, like eating almonds is supposed to help. Lavender oil, all that. So yeah, thing is, what the supermarket that we're going to go to is Publix. When I used to live in Massachusetts, the main supermarket there was Market Basket. I think, right? Oof, it's been a while. I have 40 minutes to bring everything back home, and my nail appointment's at 10:30, so I have to leave my house by 10. It is 9:20, so we gotta hurry up. I love to get these as an alternative for Jet because he loves Pringles. This is that these are artificially flavored and then these are not. It makes me feel better, so I always go with those instead. All we're getting today, we're gonna get the chips, the croissants, lettuce, just some quick things that I can throw together to make him a little meal. Okay, so now we need to go drop everything off. Go ahead. Okay, I'll go, no problem. Man, I'm a good driver. So I dropped everything at home and I was heading to my nail appointment and she just called me and said she's running behind. So now I have to find something else to do. I need a white collared shirt. I could either check the mall or check Target. I need some peanut butter cookies. So good. One that loves going through this little section of Target and seeing what you can find, and I cannot find anything. Nothing. They always have the cutest things for little boys, and I just like to look and see what they have. How cute is this? I didn't really find anything here, and it's too bad because this is a big Target. I'm gonna go and try and see if they have the white collared shirt that I'm looking for at H&M. So I'm gonna go to the mall next. I hate that camera, it makes me look so ugly. I'm probably going to go into JCPenney first because there's a Sephora in there. And I really wanted to take a look at the Huda, oh my God, the Huda Beauty powders. God, this is not a flattering angle, is it? Nope, it's not. Okay, maybe this side. Okay, so here they are. They have pound cake, banana bread, and blondie. They do have more colors online, but unfortunately this is all they have here. Okay, the one on the right is pound cake and the one on the left is banana bread. Which one do you guys think? This is literally the best skincare line to date that I know that will not break you out. Right here, First Aid Beauty. I ended up getting the pound cake. So you guys remember in my drugstore haul where I was telling you guys about Riley Rose, that it's kind of like a Sephora. The layout is the same, but it has like different kinds of products. They even have a BH Cosmetics section. I've actually been seeing this palette everywhere, the Take Me Back to Brazil palette. I don't know how good it is. It has a lot of really good colors. I'm okay, thank you. Okay, thanks. So embarrassing. It's like super underrated is what I think. Like a lot of people don't really go there and stuff, and I think it's more like people don't know it's there and not that it's not good. They even have Sigma there. I'm running late because I'm vlogging and taking forever to do it, so I gotta go, guys. I haven't even gone to H&M and I have to leave in like 5 minutes. Wait, where am I? Am I the only one that speed walks past their old job so that no one recognizes them? Bye-bye. Okay, guys, we're here at the nail salon. So I miss my son, but it's crazy how quick you get things done when you don't have children. Wow. It's like they add on an extra 15 minutes to each errand and each task. Wait, where's the camera? Oh, it's up there. Wait, up there? Yeah. I chose this green color. It's so out of my comfort zone, but I wanted to do something new and different because I'm always doing the same colors. Are you so proud of me? I was telling my sister about the powder that I got today at Sephora, and she was telling me that she thinks it's pronounced Huda Beauty. Is it Huda or is it Huda or is it Huda? Sister had to come up with an easier name or something. But y'all know what brand I'm talking about, and you guys know this girl, right? Okay. So I'm just gonna get a coffee really quick. I'm supposed to go get my hair done. I was gonna go get my son, but maybe I'll just take this time for myself. I feel guilty about it, but you know, I'm just gonna do it because I never do. I take my son everywhere with me. Hi. It's okay. Yes. Thank you so much. All right, got my café. Vamos para la casa. And so I'm drinking iced caramel macchiato. I love caramel, dulce de leche, all that. That's like my jam right there. I need to go this way. I don't want to be in traffic. This is like the best drink for a hot day. I don't really drink coffee like that, but when I do, this is it. So we're pulling up to the house. Big old truck in the way. Rooms to go. Somebody's moving in. You guys, let me show you like this view. It's so beautiful and peaceful. If you guys have seen some of the pictures that I posted in the past on Instagram, I'd have my husband take them while I stood right there, and then this as the background because it was just so nice to look at. This area right here is like a designated wildlife refuge, so there's probably alligators in there. I don't really take my son down there too often because of that. I'm showing you guys that because I remember when I used to work in an office and I used to be like all depressed because I can't be like closed up like that. Like I feel trapped. I have to be out and moving. I would watch YouTube videos and I would watch vlogs and stuff like that, and I would see people vlogging and going about their day, and I would feel like I'm with that person, whoever it was, and so it made me feel happier. It made me feel like I'm there, especially if it's like nice scenery like that, you know. You're welcome. God, I'm out of shape. You guys, I don't know, like now that I'm old and stuff like that, older, I should say older, not old, I don't really have the drive or energy to go to the gym. I'm pretty active because of my son, because he's so hyper. I don't know if it's all little boys, but this one is like but if it wasn't for him, well, if it wasn't for him, I could probably go to the gym because I have time. I'm going to warm up some food. I'm probably gonna have some leftover ackee and saltfish with rice. The ackee and saltfish is so good. I never tried it before I got married because my husband's Jamaican. I think it's one of Jamaica's main breakfast dishes, but you can eat it anytime. With rice, when you're warming it up, I always sprinkle a little bit of water on it, just because white rice doesn't really taste good like once it's cold and you're warming it up again. So if you sprinkle a little bit of water in it and then cover it with a wet napkin, it'll get nice and soft again and it won't taste like paper. I don't use the plastic microwave covers. I just use a wet napkin, or if you have a glass cover, that's good. I just heard so many things about the BPA and all the plastic, so I don't even put plastic in the microwave if I don't have to. Oops, sorry. I'm so big taking care of my teeth and making sure they're good. Anywhere I go, I always carry this in my purse. I'll take whatever floss I buy. And you can just buy this one time. They sell this at Target in like the travel section or the dollar section. I usually just kind of replace them. I made it a habit to like floss after every meal. It's just something I have to do. So you literally finish, pop it in your purse, and then you're ready to go. This is what the ackee and saltfish looks like. It usually comes with sweet plantain. It doesn't usually come with rice. It comes with boiled bananas. But in this case, we did it with rice and it tastes way better. And this is just their, I think this is their national fruit, the yellow stuff, which is called ackee. And then it's codfish. They call it saltfish. In Spanish, we say bacalao. Okay guys, it is 5:19. I'm heading over to do my hair now. It's so much easier for me to get ready in the morning when my hair is blown out than to have to wash it, style it, diffuse it, blah, blah, blah. Really? Why would you break like that, bro? I'll probably end up showing you guys tomorrow though, not today, because after she blow dries my hair, I always have her wrap it because my hair gets really frizzy easily. When I wrap it and I let it go the next day, then that's when it looks bomb.com. Good morning, guys. So I wanted to update you guys because I didn't get to show you my hair last night. I don't really straighten it that often, so I definitely wanted to show you the length and see how much it's grown. I mean, I wouldn't say a crazy amount. This needs to grow a little bit longer to match up with this because I just want it all one length. When I cut it in January, early January, I cut it up to here, so that's a pretty good chunk. I didn't finish my hair till like almost 8 o'clock at night, and this is me not dyeing my hair or doing anything to it really. If you guys go on my Instagram and see like my pictures from like 4 years ago, 3-4 years ago, my hair used to be blonde, at one point platinum blonde. After I had my son, I couldn't really keep up with it, and I'm like, you know what, forget this. Once I dyed it dark, because I figured it would be easier for the growing out process, I just let my own natural hair grow out, and that's basically what happened. Yeah, my hair is the healthiest that it's ever been. Appreciate everybody who sent me messages and left me comments. Please guys, don't be like me. Like, always patch test things, skincare, makeup before you use it. I never made a habit of that. I'm just like, oh, I'm fine, and I just throw it on my face, and that's like the dumbest thing you can do. All right, so I'll talk to you guys later. Mwah.